Hello everyone. Today we will learn about how to clip any raster using data frame properties, right? So our first step is first of all select the polygon on with the help of which we want to clip our raster, right? So if I select this polygon, this is our settlement polygon, and then if I want to clip my raster image using the selected polygon. For example, I select this polygon and then I want to clip my raster according to this polygon. Then uh, our next step will be just right click here in the data frame, then go to data frame properties. Then here many options, many tabs are available. So first of all, click on data frame tab. Then here other, right? So specify extent. So click here and then second option outline of feature, right? So just click here and then here polygon layer. Polygon layer is our shapefile layer, right? And then features. In features, there are three options: all features, selected, or visible. So I use only selected feature, right? Then okay. Then here clip option. So using this drop down arrow, select clip to shape. Now specify shape. So here in shape, outline of feature, and we again select our shape file as a shape, and then features, in features use this selected, right? And then okay, click, apply. Okay, so in this way you can see here our raster data can be clipped using this method, right? But here we can see here what no, there is no any output file for this process. It means this process is only for displaying any raster using a selected shapefile or selected area. Here first step was select our shapefile or our study area, and then we can clip our raster data related to our study area, right? So in this method, no clipping, no actual clipping of data, but only to display our raster as a clip, right? So this method is used to create many map layers, right? So when we create any map and use many shape files, but here we can use only a single shapefile and single raster. Instead of clipping our raster according to our shapefile, our area of interest, we use this method. So we can use the single raster image and single polygon layer, and then we can clip the raster according to the polygon. But here there is no actual clipping in the raster, right? Only the display, only for display. So it will make easy to create multiple maps by using the same raster image as well as using the same shapefile, right? So if I want to again uh, I want to see here, I want to see my whole data, then just right click here and then go to data frame property, then uncheck all these. I just no clip, right? And then apply. So in this way you can see here there is no actual clipping in our raster or in our polygon layer, but this clipping method is used to create many multiple maps by using the single raster image as well as single shapefile, right? So if you like our video, then please like, comment and share and then subscribe, right? Okay, thank you.